Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to screen mirror iPhone to Samsung TV. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to make sure that your iPhone device or iOS device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your Samsung TV is connected to. Now, once you're sure that both Samsung TV and your iOS device or your iPhone has been connected to the same Wi-Fi router, then what you can do is go to the next step, which is find the mirroring option on your iPhone. What you can do is open the control center on your iPhone, and you have to find the mirroring option on the control center. If you're not able to find any mirroring option on the control center, what you can do is edit your control center, and in the list of all the options for the control center, you have to find the mirroring option and select the mirroring option from the list. Now, once you find the mirroring option on your iPhone, what you can do is click on that option, and then you will be able to see your Samsung TV is appearing on the list. So simply click on your Samsung device or the Samsung TV device, and then what you can do, you will see a pop-up on your Samsung TV. Now your TV will give you a code which you have to enter into your iPhone or your iOS device. Once you input that PIN code into your iOS device, now you have successfully mirrored your iPhone to your Samsung TV. Now whatever you do on your iPhone screen will be directly mirrored on your Samsung TV. And that's basically how you can mirror your iPhone screen to your Samsung TV. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.